Celebrity relationships are often under a microscope, but when two Hollywood powerhouses come together, the spotlight shines even brighter. Today, we delve into the complex dynamics of Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck's relationship, with a surprising twist involving Ben's ex-wife, Jennifer Garner. Stay tuned as we uncover the drama behind the scenes and the efforts to keep their love alive. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. In recent weeks, rumors have swirled around the marriage of Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck, with reports of tension and uncertainty. But what's truly happening behind closed doors? It seems that amidst the turmoil, Jennifer Garner, Ben's former wife, has emerged as a key figure in their struggle. Sources revealed that Jennifer Lopez has been seeking solace and guidance from Jennifer Garner as she navigates the challenges in her marriage to Ben Affleck. Despite the complexity of their dynamic, both actresses share concerns about Ben's well-being, particularly regarding his battle with addiction. Just days ago, Jennifer Garner was spotted arriving at Ben's Brentwood residence, sparking speculation about her involvement in their relationship turmoil. Reports suggest that Garner's presence stems from a desire to support both Ben and Jennifer Lopez during this tumultuous time. According to insiders, Jennifer Lopez sees Jennifer Garner as a confidant who can truly understand the complexities of her situation. With both women having shared experiences with Ben, they find solace in each other's company and seek to navigate the challenges together. Ben's recent appearances without his wedding ring have only added fuel to the speculation surrounding their marriage. Reports suggest that he may be grappling with familiar patterns of behavior, including a tendency to run away from marital issues. Ben Affleck has been candid about his past struggles with alcoholism, acknowledging the role it played in his previous marriage to Jennifer Garner. With concerns mounting about a potential relapse, Jennifer Garner's involvement takes on added significance. As the saga unfolds, one thing remains clear: Jennifer Lopez, Ben Affleck, and Jennifer Garner are navigating uncharted waters, balancing personal history with present challenges. Join us as we continue to follow this evolving story, right here on Celeb Explore Hub. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive celebrity updates. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest from Celeb Explore Hub.